Ever wondered what luxury looks like from the top? Let's unlock the doors to Dubai's finest properties. Ready to be wowed? First stop, a penthouse suite with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of the skyline. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with the world at your feet. Next up, an architectural masterpiece in the heart of the city. With its sleek design and state-of-the-art amenities, it's not just a home, it's a statement. Infinity pools, private gyms, and more, it's got everything a mogul might need. But wait, there's more. We're not just talking interiors here. These properties boast some of the most exclusive addresses in the world, nestled between the shimmering Persian Gulf and the bustling city streets. And with 24/7 concierge services, your every wish is just a command away. Capping off our tour, a villa that blends opulence with tranquility. Lush gardens, expansive courtyards, and interiors decked in the finest materials. A true paradise on earth. And hey, if you've got a minute more, why not follow us for more glossy peeks into the world of luxury real estate? Visit our website or shoot us a message to learn more about these breathtaking properties. Dream big, live bigger, right here in Dubai.